Hi guys and girls and the undecided, Gary here from Mangamac Workshop, where we fix, repair, sometimes break and have to fix again. Let's get into it. Okay guys, today's job is replacing the carburetor on this atom edger. So the issue here is they went to start it, wasn't running very well. So we ended up having to get a new carburetor for it. It's a lot easier to get a new carburetor than trying to fix that one. Did have a go at trying to fix that one, but it wasn't very good. The other issue I had is when I had it sitting on the bench, all the oil fell out of it. So just going to chuck some oil into it. If I get the lid open. These things so hard. No good, man, no good. I need a funnel, which is weird. I don't think they'd take a lot. Basically, have it level. Whoops. Yep, they don't take a lot. Pick it up in. So basically, you follow them up until it just comes out of the plug like that, making a mess. Gary. Rag. So kind of made it. I'll put the back on that now. I think she's good. Put up tight this time. But that oil, man, it's just... Anyway, shit happens. Right, the idea is to get this carburetor out. Hopefully not leaking oil out like last time. There you go, frickin' thing. Why can't it be easy? Never be easy, can it? Right. So we'll take the old carburetor off first. Couple of bolts here. Put my hands a bit. Clean spot to put things on. Lifts off, that's the outer cover. Want that, here's the carburetor. Get the fuel lines off. Cut them because we're going to put new ones on anyway. So take the easy road. Pull that off there. Right, take the throttle cable out, just pull that back. that. So the whole carburetor comes out like that, so we're all good. Junk. Pull that line out. This is just your lines for your feed. And there's the old filter, so we'll put a new one of those on as well. So here's the new replacement bits and pieces. Got a new gasket. It's cool. So we'll take this one here off. Put the new one on. Get it around the right way, of course. Match the shapes, man. Match the shapes. Right, let's get back into it. Some guy with a big green tractor came and visited me and took away my flax, so that was well good. Let's go and carry on regardless. Now, good idea here is to match the holes up, isn't it? To be fair, it's a little bit different from the last one, or maybe not. Let's just check it this way. Underneath there. Yep. I think we might have to trim off that there a bit. Have I got some tin snips? That'll work. I don't think we need all that extra. Just like that. Alright, let's see this Carburetor. So it's got a couple extra filters in it, a couple of spare bowls. So these carburetors are only like $10, well, $30 I guess if you call it in the locally, and then even cheaper if you buy them on eBay. Don't worry about that. Push that down a bit there. Make sure we get seated. Yep, looks the same as that one. Maybe we should put the cord on first, might help. Oh, yep, it's a little bit different. Oh, no, that's me. Doohickey there. Let's see, we should better pull that this way a bit. Make sure we get it around the right way. Down there. Oop. Let go a bit early. Right, I think we might need this piece off here somehow. Get the right size, but it'll be better. What's that? Going to my other drawer spanners. Voila. Winner chicken dinner. Oops. That one might have been too clever. Bit rough. Gets the job done. Loosen this up a bit.
40 on that just to help it out a bit, I think. Match the shapes, it's all good. It's probably enough anyway, I think. Take that off again. Put that in there. Wash on that side. Ooh, don't drop stuff into the engine, would be quite good. These things are always just sometimes a bit tricky. They shouldn't be. Good. Right. Tighten that up. Make sure it's seated. It needs to be too tight. Tight enough. Match the shapes. This is freaking pain that falls down. Right. I think we'll put the hoses in. That's not a good idea. So there's a return. That's the actual new filter, anything like that. So you might pull that out. So it goes in a bit easier. Just everywhere. Just put that in there. Might turn this around that way so everything sort of lines up a bit better. New rubber. That's a good idea about buying the whole kit, because then you get all the bits, new filters, new rubbers. Go in there, hopefully. Cooked it a bit. Come on, baby. Yeah, it's a bigger rubber. That's completely different. No, I know it wasn't going in very well. I'm going to use the original one, because that's the right size. And it should just hopefully fit there. This is actually bigger. Change of plan. Go back to the original. Ooh, it's a bit tight. Anyway, get us going. Yeah, it's just different diameter of things. I've already blown out the filter. could, I think we'll just leave that on there for now. Might be a bit rough. I think we'll just go with the get it going to start with. Oh, that went in there a lot easier. The right size thing. Just get it more around that way. Have to try and all else fails, you can put some hot water on it, but I better get it on. Pliers. Yeah. Cool. Slightly rough, but hey, whatever gets it done. So I have to put the original hose back on here too. Possibly. Might be a bit big. It's a long, clear hose. Last fails, use the original stuff. This is fast going to turn into a bullet run again. Ah. Oh yeah. Fit this through two those. So it should be all good. Right. I believe I'm ready to put this bit back on. Notch. I think there was this bit here. Yep, this should be all right. Tighten up the nuts. The spanner still on. So this actually works. I'll probably change out the lines, take the petrol tank off, and then put on put the bigger lines on. Might run a bit rich because this might be for a slightly bigger engine, but we'll soon find out, won't we? Tight enough to make a face, and yep, that might do it. Yep, it's going full throttle, so you can see the hole right through down into the carburetor, so all should be as it should be. Choke. Now I believe there was a new filter. Or not. Maybe not. Bits, filter, not too bad. things considered. As you do. I think if we ever get to go, we'll probably come back and a bit of a wipe out. Give it a fighting chance of being clean. Okay, so I think now it's going to turn into a will it run video. Oil-wise, we'll just check our oil because we obviously don't want to run it out oil. Looks pretty full. Let's just have a quick look. Oh yeah, I think it's good. Yeah, and I think what I'll do is once it runs, then I can change the oil on it as well. It's pretty straightforward, just comes out the hole apparently. So it's up to the top there, so she's got plenty of oil. Alright, so the next thing is to will it run? Right, we set up outside. Let's see if we can make it run. So good use of put it into the fuelers. Where that oil is, I should say. Want to make sure it's in. A little bit. What's the chance of this actually running? It should be pretty high, you would think. A little bit of 3 litres of fuel in it. Put it in it, might be quite good. That's why it's always good to do it outside. Fill it up. Fill it up, fish. Alright, so we'll pump this, see it should pump the fuel through. Yep, bowl's filling up. Yep, it's all good. Just running through, give it a choke. Put it on to run. Yeah! Actually pretty good, eh? You just tuck it on, didn't have to change the jets. So it's supposed to go for a 35, I don't know what the difference of that is, but it's good. We'll call that a win. Yeah, so I did a round of edging. It went pretty good. It stopped a couple of times at idle, but I think at some point I'll change those fuel and routine lines out for the bigger ones. And that might run a bit better. It might be a bit squishful, it's a bit maybe slightly rough on the actual. Yeah, just basically just pour it out. Drop it on the ground. It'll be quite good. much oil, not much in there. Yeah, not too bad, but a little bit black, but certainly not much in there. It's going to cost a lot for an oil change, that's for sure. Right, around this is 10W30 is what they recommend. So we'll chuck a bit of that in there and see how we go. Obviously not too much this time. Yeah, it's already just there at the bottom, I can see it, so don't need much more. Be good. Yeah, not very big engine. Bit more. It's good, it's just there on the lip. Yep. Sitting pretty level. Yep. Slightly up, I think. Pretty good. The pin back on. Tighten up so tight this time. Might be a good trick. Yeah. Cool. Yep. That's clean, so job done. I think I'll do another video later on. We'll probably have to take the tank off, put a bigger hole in it, take that other rubber hose and the other fittings. But got it going, got the job done.